Yan, third game nila ni Eunice. Corpus Christi versus Palao under 10. Okay, diretso na yan, Zay.
Chairman, tawagan Sir Jack. Next game at pitch number 2, Men's Open category, MCFC versus Uncle Fly. Again, next game at pitch number 2, Men's Open category, MCFC versus Uncle Fly. Next game at pitch number 3, Soccer Moms category, DHFC FC. Again, next game at pitch number 3, Soccer Mom category, DHFC B versus Cavalier FC. Next game, HFCB versus Cavaliers FC.
0, parehas.
Pitch number 4, Men's above 35 category, Bansalan FC versus DMC Belador. Again, next game at pitch number 4, Bansalan above 35 category, Bansalan FC versus DHFC Belador.
Sige, diretso! Diretso, Jimmy!
Next game,
diretso, Jimmy! Sige!
Please be prepared.
Go!
Grabe na mo kay kapita.
Last game na nasa under 10 sa pitch number 6. Magbutang ko under 12 ya. Kailangan pa kayo. Okay naman eh. Okay naman eh.
Sige, Miggy! Diretso! Sige!
Pitch number 6. Next game, pitch number 6.
Ginik, banat Nick!
Pitch number 6. Roswell Comita versus Pagakpat Elementary School. Under 12 mixed category at pitch number 4, 6. Next game, pitch number 6. Roswell Comita versus Pagakpat Elementary School. Next game at pitch number number
1-0. 1-0. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Okay, kalma lang ah. Relax din.
Pitch number 1.
Okay, bola na to. Sige.
Next game pitch. Umano tong panlay. Sa
Ay,
itong bola
kaya
kaglas
nga, oy.
Carmen og Corpus. Next game pitch number 7 under 8 mixed category. Southfield School versus Panao United. Tapos next Next game sa pitch number 7 after ng Southfield School of Palao United, PCFC versus Roosevelt School.
Nila to, third game.
Inulo, ready na lang din kadaan ha, Roosevelt o PCFC. Thank you, thank you.
Sige, Nick! Sige, Nick! Sige, Nick! Ay, sayo pa ito, Nick! Ay! Sige! Sige! Sige na, Nick! Sige, Nick! Sige, Nick! Sige, Nick! Ayay! Sige, Jamie! Sige! Sige, Nick! Sige, Nick! Ayay!